So we're gonna use this sign that came in last week, the Happy Spring. All right, so let's get some mesh on the base. You know what? I'm gonna take that back. This sign is kind of heavy. So let's get it attached first. So I'm just gonna staple one into all four corners. All right, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of gel super glue to get some super glue right over that staple and soaked into those holes where the staple went. All right, so now I'm just gonna put this off to the side till it dries. So I'm gonna use a 21-inch burlap. It's what I had in stock. Y'all, I like to just throw it on the floor, pick it up, fold over the very beginning, okay? Then you're gonna fold in the edge. Then you're gonna just scrunch it. Then we're gonna go all the way around the top, then all the way around the bottom. All right, so we gotta make sure we pull this as tight as we can. So I like to do a 10-inch poof. Whenever you do that, these are about 5 inches apart. So on the very top, you can easily just measure from this one, skip one, measure to the next one, and it's about 10. Okay? So that's about 10 inches, and then just pull it back and put it in this twist tie. Fluff it out as you go. All right, we're gonna do the same size poofs all the way around the bottom. So this was our 21-inch base. Y'all, now I wanna add some 10-inch to it. I'm gonna cut 18 of these at 10 inches. So we're just gonna take our 2 rolls. All we're gonna do is curl them up, nice and loose, not tight. Make a little X. Then we're gonna add that X. And we're going to put it all the way around the wreath. All right, so we're just gonna add each one to these little twists on here. All right, so we did our 10-inch curls all the way around. We added 2 to every twist. Now we're gonna do the top. You guys will be able to see how I'm attaching it better to the top. So we curl up ours. Make our little X. And then we don't open it, don't do anything. We're just gonna place it right in the mesh, or right in the twist ties, and give it a little twist. Now look how pretty it is. So we're gonna take our sun and we're gonna add it right up here. All right, now we wanna make sure we get it kind of tight. All right, so whenever I attach my signs, we're gonna go from this corner to this corner, then this corner to this corner. The sign came from decoexchange.com. So I'm gonna make my bow next. All right, so we're gonna start with about a 12-inch tail. We're gonna give it a little pinch on the table. We're gonna give it a twist. All right. Then we're gonna measure out about a 7-inch loop. Now this orange is a little funky, so I'm gonna add it further to the back. It's more of a burnt orange than the bright orange that I'm gonna have in the rest of it. So I'm just gonna put this color towards the rear. Thanks, y'all. All right, so every layer of your ribbon just gets slightly smaller, and the easiest way to see that is whenever it's layered, you should be able to see the ribbon below it whenever you put your next ribbon on top of it. All right, gonna use the 5/8. All right, then I'm gonna use my center loop right here to bring the black and white from the back up to the front. I'm gonna take our 2 pipe cleaners, pull it, make sure it's nice and tight. All right, I'm gonna slide mine off. Wrap my pipe cleaner around it. Get it pulled nice and tight and give it a twist. Now we just gotta add our giant bow. I'm gonna add mine right down here in the center. All right, so all I did was run those pipe cleaners around the frame and getting it tied off so it's nice and tight. Dovetail these up. Y'all, on the 5/8 ribbon, I just cut mine at an angle. So that's what we've got going so far. Hang on, you guys had a bad angle. There we go. Now we're gonna take our ribbon and give it some tails on the outside. So I'm gonna cut my ribbon tails at 14 inches. I'm gonna need 9 with the black and white polka dot. You know what? I'm not gonna do black and white polka dots on the top, so only on the bottoms. Let's do 5. 2, 3, 4. If you just go to decoexchange.com, you can get all the ribbon your little heart desires. We're gonna do 5 of these. We're gonna take our 1.5 inch. All right, we need 5 of these. We're gonna take our ribbon. We're gonna fold it in half. Get a good pinch. All right. Then we're gonna pinch it right down the middle. And we're gonna add this into every twist around the bottom. All right, and now we're just gonna alternate, making those ribbon tails all the way around. So in the one with the 4-inch ribbon, I'm only gonna put 2 ribbons. In the one with 1.5 inch, I'm gonna add 3 ribbons. So it'll be a little bit different than normal. All right, so we got our base tails on there. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 6 more. All right, so now we're just gonna add our ribbon tails right along the open ones at the top. So same thing that we did at the bottom, we're just adding those tails right in here. The ribbon tails are 14 inches. Where is my business located? At decoexchange.com. All right, let's check it out.